Hello, Nita here with WeCookiers again. I thought I would do this video. It's just another short one, but this is a shout out to Miss Gracie. She is the big 13, right? So big congrats to her. And this is the set that she thought she wanted. So I am putting my own little twist on it, of course. But other than that, I hope you enjoy it. And be sure to like and please subscribe. I would appreciate that. And if you would like to stay up to date on all my news, on my everything going on with WeCookiers and anything you can learn from it, like tips and tricks in the kitchen for cooking, the recipes to get you out on the right foot, and how to bake, make, and how to decorate and build your business. So we'll go ahead and get started with the decorating today, and we will see you on the other end. Okay, I hope you found that interesting. And I wanted to let you be aware, if you didn't know, that on my website, I offer you a free 2-page download of how to mix the harder to find colors like apricot and rust, moss green, aqua, avocado, all those colors. So, and it'll break it down to like 1 part this and 1 part that, or 2 parts that. So really easy to follow, but it's great to have at your workstation. So if you would like that, all you have to do is just pop in your email, real easy. And if you choose to unsubscribe after that, you know, feel free to do that. That's easy to do. So until next time, and I'll leave the link in the show notes for you to do that. And until next time, we will see you later.